Hi, I'm Chef Williams. Welcome to this week's edition of Culinary Corner. Today we will be making a really simple, easy chicken quesadilla. All right? They didn't come here to see you. So we're going to start with 1 pound of chicken breast. We're going to start with a packet of taco seasoning. Any brand of your choice works perfectly well. About a cup of shredded cheese. We chose to do a Monterey Jack here. About 6 to 8 ounces of diced bell peppers and onions, and 2 ounces of butter. We've got 4 8-inch tortillas to make our tortillas in, or to make our quesadillas in when we're ready. So to begin with, we're going to start with our chicken breast, our taco seasoning. We're going to get those on the stove in some water and a little bit of chicken stock. Cook those down so we can shred them, and we'll move on from there. After about 20 to 30 minutes of letting this chicken cook, what you should end up with are some nice pieces of shredded chicken, and you can also use a couple of forks to shred those a little bit better, get those a little bit finer, easier to add into your quesadilla. So back here with our chicken, we've got just 2 regular dinner forks here. And you just want to kind of press down, slowly pull back, and that chicken should kind of just fall apart for you. Just like that. Now that you have your chicken shredded up, we're going to take our butter tortilla. We'll head over to the stove. You want to drop in the first half of your butter, let that melt down in your pan. The size of the pan doesn't really matter as long as it's slightly larger than your tortilla. If you have a flat top at home, that's pretty simple to use, but if not, just a regular old skillet will do. Let's go back and check on that. All right, once your butter's melted, you want to add in your tortilla for just a couple of minutes on one side. As soon as that first side is hot, you want to flip that over, add in your cheese, make sure you spread it around evenly. Once that melts, you can now add in your bell peppers and onions, but only on one side for those. And then we'll come back and we'll grab a little bit of our chicken, however much you like. And we'll add that on top of our bell peppers and onions. When you do have the option to go ahead and cook your bell peppers and onions separately, should you choose. Me personally, I kind of like a little bit of extra taste in there. So once your cheese is melted, everything on the inside is nice and hot and ready to go. Just go ahead and flip that over, fold it in half, press down slightly, making sure your cheese melts and everything gets stuck together. We'll give that a flip so that the other side gets a little bit of love too.
All right, so after done cooking, you want to go ahead and bring the quesadilla over here. And if you want, you could always just cut that quesadilla in half, make it nice and pretty. And that's our chicken quesadilla right here. All right, after that short little break, that was very good. This is Jaimie again, making this chicken quesadilla right here. Thanks again, and this is Culinary Corner, and we'll see you once again later.